Get acquainted with the 2014 Cadillac ELR. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering.